Welcome back everyone to a new video of How to Guide. In this video, let me show you how you can easily create your bank account of Chase. If you're trying to become a customer of Chase and create your own bank account, then in this video, let me show you how it's done. First of all, open up your web browsers and search for chase.com. Once you search for it, it's going to take you to the website of Chase, which will look something like this. Now there are a couple of accounts that you can create with Chase. As you can see on the top, it says personal, business, and commercial. Choose the type of account that you want to create. And depending upon which option you choose, there are within different products or different accounts that you can create. For this video, I'm going to choose a personal account and click on checkings and savings and choose the savings account. Depending upon which option you choose, your interface might look different. Now from here, if you also chose the savings account, you can scroll down and click on open now. Next, through this section, you'll need to now fill in all the details that have been asked. Now before you start this process, make sure that you have your social security number with you and also your driver's license or your state ID. These documents are important to verify yourself. From here, scroll down and pick if you are a customer of Chase or not and click on next. Firstly, you'll need to fill in your personal details such as your name, first name, last name. Select if you are a citizen of US or not. If you are not, then you need to select your country of citizenship. Type in your date of birth and your social security number. In the next step, choose the type of ID that you want to upload to verify your identity. If you choose the driver's license, type in your driver's license ID number and also select the state of issue. If you scroll down further, you can enter in the details of your home address. So type in your street address, zip code, city, your state, and lastly, you need to enter in your email address and your phone number. Make sure that you enter all of these details correctly. And similarly, you can scroll down, check these boxes and click on next. And in the next few steps, you also need to enter in a few other details about yourself and details related to your account. And once you do, your account of Chase will be successfully created. So that was a quick video on how to create your bank account of Chase. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'm going to be soon back with more informative videos just like this. Until then, keep watching.